Hey, hi, hello, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, for today's video, basically, I'll be doing some kind of experiment. And, yun yung reason kung bakit ganyan yung hair ko.
Just a disclaimer, I am no professional in doing hairstyle or hair coloring, hair bleach, hair whatever.
If it looks nice, then it's great. If not, then it's fine. Since quarantine naman. So mga friends, what am I gonna do today is that I'm gonna bleach my hair. Just for your information, I've tried bleaching before, but gawa siya ng professional. This time, I'll be doing it on my own. And I have no idea mahulog yung camera kung ano mangyayari. The reason why I'm doing this tonight is that
The hair bleach that I bought, basta itong sachet. And it says here, once open, the contents must be used immediately. Friends, immediately. Like, my hair don't know friends now. So, I'm forced to do this. And the reason why my hair is like that because there's so much coconut oil. Like coconut oil.
I don't have any idea what will be the outcome of this, and I hope it looks good. If not, then so kinakabahan ako, guys. Let's get things started. Oh my gosh. First time ko kasi talaga mag-DIY ng dye. Only professional hairstylist yung gumagawa sa akin. Ganito pala kabahan. I'll be getting gloves and change. Now that I'm changed, start na natin. Kinakabahan talaga ako, guys. What I'm planning to do is I'm gonna bleach yung underneath ng hair ko. Like this one. I just hope that it's going to turn out right. Before we proceed with bleaching, you need toilet paper, gloves, hair stuff, hair clip, brushes, symbol, bleaching powder, developer. The ratio should be 1:1. Okay? So I'll be using 40% oxidizing volume developer and 30% volume developer. If maybe I'll bleach it again. Then for the hair color, which I'm planning in the future, I want it to be like bluish ash gray, which sort of nagawa ko na before, but it didn't last, and it was the salon who did it kasi swinimin ko lang. 1:1. What does that mean? Yun na ba yung 1 na yun? Sabi nila, mas better daw pag blue yung bleach. Well, when I bought it, I didn't know kasi wala namang pinakita if it's blue or something. Just mix the bleaching powder with the developer and then mix. Then later we're just gonna put it in my hair. I hope I'm doing this right. If not, then it's wrong. Ay, wow. Paano ba nila ginagawa yun?
Hindi naman siya nag-lock eh. Kailangan i-do. Ayan.
Simulan na natin, guys. Sabi nila, you should not start on the roots daw. Oh my goodness. Ang hirap pala maggamit ng brush pag ikaw lang yung nagda-dye. Tapang siya, guys. Ano ba itong pinagagagawa ko? Sabi nila, you have to apply it really fast. Pero ito na talaga yung mabilis ko eh. Maybe I'm just trying to put it in a perfect way. So, kabila naman. Try hindi ko siya makita.
Medyo nakakakaba pala siya ng bug. You do it on your own. I don't know, that's what I'm feeling right now. Like, I'm worried maybe other portions that I'm not able to bleach. It's just kind of scary. And hopefully, I can put them evenly so that it does not look weird.
Because if it's not even, what's gonna happen is like, there's going to be patches, which is not nice. Ayan, may changes na siya sa hair. Kung alam ko masyado pa itong malayo or what. Okay, people. This is how it looks like now.
Oh my gosh, where did it came from? Okay, so, I don't know how it looks like. Pag na-wash off. Ang hirap guys yung roots kasi I don't see it and bula-bula ka na lang dyan. Ayan. So, yep, just gonna rinse.
This is just the first run. So basically, I have to reapply some in like this part and this part, especially here underneath. Kasi I didn't see, maybe because of the lighting there. As you can see, there are black parts underneath that I have to reapply on. But on the other parts, it's good already. Hindi siya patchy, which is nice. So also, don't worry if it looks like this or super yellowish pa siya. We'll be using a purple conditioner or toner for this one so that at least it will be more cool than warm color. However, I don't have it right now. I'm waiting for it maybe on the next few days, and then I'll just insert it there. So yeah, I'll be applying here and underneath here. This is how it looks like now. That's it for now, and we'll see. Bye! Hi guys, so this is going to be the second round of the hair bleaching. So basically, there's already coconut oil in my hair, which I've placed mga hours ago pa. Others are advising na when you're supposed to do this one, it will be a lot better if you will do it with a span of, let's say, a week as you do the second session. But guys, I don't have time. My event next week, and for this second bleaching, I'll be using the same stuff, volume developer, ganyan. I'm hoping also na I can also dye my hair tonight kasi I'm running out of time. Madami ng events and stuff, though it's going to be virtually, of course, but we'll figure it out kung matatapos ko siya, even the hair dye. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, I'm just gonna wrap na ulit and then do the process. Hey, hi, what's up? So what are we gonna do is I'll color my hair. Supposed to be, I'll be doing the toning muna using the purple toner. However, hindi pa dumadating yung order ko. So we'll proceed with the hair coloring first. I'm using a hair color wherein it's actually gray blue. So I'll just hope it looks good, and then after the color na lang ako magtotone. So yep, let's get things started. I don't know why my voice is like that. Okay, I just washed off everything, guys. So this is how it looks like right now. So I'll dry it off pa and maybe show a clip na lang tomorrow or when it's already styled. So as you could see, it's blue-gray. Parang mas evident lang on my left side, as you could see. Yan. Then this one, I would prefer sana na dito yung mas light. However, I don't know, maybe it's because nung bleach ko siya, mas light din talaga yung nandito. So, that's how it looks like. And I hope it will look better when it's styled. And yeah, looks like I'm happy with the result. Though I'll try to tone it down pa. So that yung yellowish here and here malasan din. So, yep. That's it for today.